Good morning, everybody. Happy Motivational Monday. Woohoo! Philadelphia Eagles. Got to start there. That's my motivation, a part of my motivation. I literally stayed up last night and watched the whole game. The whole thing was amazing. So anyway, starting with my motivation to you today is just invent it. I know many of you have ideas and inventions that you say, you know what? I have this idea. I just don't know where to start. I'm telling you. Start here. My name is Lisa Ascolese, the Inventress, inventing products for over 38 years. From concept to fruition. I'm talking about just having a little idea, to scratching something on paper, to creating prototypes, not just for me, but for you. In fact, this is one of the products that I've invented. This was on QVC and HSN and sold out in 6 minutes. This is a solution-oriented product. This was literally made for Tupperware lids, or plastic lids, I should say, and works a multitude of ways. You can hang it, you can stick it, you can hammer it, and that's why I invented this. Perfect pockets. I'm not selling it to you. I'm just telling you what you can do. Literally, inventing products from concept to fruition is what I do. And many of you guys out there do exactly the same thing, but you don't know the steps to take to do it. Call me. Email me, go to my website, check me out, do your due diligence. Lisa Ascolese, the Inventress. My website is inventingatoz.com. That's inventingatoz.com. You can email me, info@inventingatoz.com. Call my office, somebody will always answer. 732-647-5433. That's 732-647-5433. Just invent it, guys. Happy Motivational Monday. Until next time, peace.